So, a common question that students and parents ask me is why choose economics in A levels? And here's my answer to them. This subject helps in understanding and recognizing the economic world around us, and we are better able to understand the one problem that affects all people, all businesses, all markets, and all governments, the issue of scarcity, the mismatch between what we have as limited resources and unlimited wants and needs. This subject also allows us to acknowledge the need for choice and the impact that all of these choices would have on our society. This subject is also going to help us build very strong analytical and evaluation skills, and then it has tremendous real world applications. So we can really integrate all of this theoretical know how with what's happening in the real world. So these are the plenty of career options you can choose from with a degree in economics. You can go into management consultancy, you can work for international organizations, you can go into investment banking or a job in journalism or the diplomatic service, in media, in advertising, insurance, as well as the rest. So these are the five basic themes around which our AS Economics syllabus is designed. We'd be talking about the basic economic ideas and resource allocation, the price system and the microeconomy, the government microeconomic intervention, the macroeconomy, and then the government macroeconomic intervention. So to embark on your journey of A levels economics, share, like, and subscribe to our channel now.